Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
If you like the content of the channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button for more cool videos. If you use your computer often, then your keyboard is likely one of the dirtiest spots in your home. It isn't through any fault of your own, anything you touch often will naturally build up residue over time. And although keyboards are built to withstand constant use, enough dirt and grime can be harmful to the keys and sensors. These are the 5 best ways to clean your keyboard that we have found.
Number 1.
Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5.